Hey guys, I just got my ring light. I'm doing an unboxing and setup of the Neewer 18-inch ring light. So I'm going to show you everything that comes in this package. So first of all, this is the big carrying case that says Neewer, and this is the light stand. I'm taking it out to show you. This is the stand that it comes with. This is the carrying case again, and just to show you what's inside, this box with some more stuff in there, and then this is the ring light. Guys, I was so surprised at how big this ring light is. Like, I had to show my like my first ring light that I ever purchased. I have it to compare, and that's a 10-inch versus the new one that I just got, which is 18 inches. It's a big difference. So this is the box, and the stuff that comes in that little box that I showed you. This is the instructions and everything. Now, I purchased mine like new is what they said it was, so it was a bit cheaper, and it seems to be pretty accurate. All the things are in there. So yeah, this is the power cord, this is the ball head, this is the soft neck and phone holder, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that a little bit later. I'm just showing you everything. These are the filters. It comes with 2 sets of filters. So first and foremost, you're going to take out that stand. I hope that this will help anyone who has issues with assembly, because I'm that person. Like, I have issues with assembly. And this is my first time opening it on camera, so you're seeing it as I'm opening it. So hopefully this video will help you out and you could see me. Hopefully I make it easier for you. This stand is very sturdy, and those are the different clips that you can clip it at. Like, when you adjust it to the height that you want, you use those clips to lock it in place so it stays at the height that you want. But again, the stand is very sturdy. The last 2 ring lights that I purchased, the stand was not sturdy, so I'm so happy that this one is. This is a better investment. So that's the soft neck right now that I'm placing on top of the stand. And for some reason though, my soft neck is not really soft. I have to look into that, but yeah, you put the soft neck on there. And then now I'm taking the ring light and I'm putting it on top of the soft neck. Now please remember to loosen all your screws first, then attach, and then tighten the screws. Yes, this is the power cord and the adapter that I'm just preparing for when I'm ready to plug it in so I can set it up. But again, with everything, just make sure you loosen the screws first and then attach it. Yeah, for this power cord, just put it in. Make sure you're doing it the right way. Push it all the way in and you're good to go. These are the filters. It comes with 2 sets of filters, the white filter and the warm filter. Now, depending on your skin tone, you're going to use a different filter or whatever feel you're going for the photo shoot or video shoot. For me, I tend to like to use the warm filter, which is the orange one. So that's the one that I'm going to be showing you today, but it does come with 2 sets. And this is the orange one that I'm opening up now. Each filter set has 4 pieces. And you're gonna look at the bottom. That's that one with that little circle thing on top, and that's the one that you're gonna place at the bottom. Now, I had a little bit of trouble with putting this on. I had trouble off camera, but on camera I was able to show you it look flawless. But I'm just letting you know, so if you're doing this along with me, just look to see, because you're gonna have to overlap each of the filters, and you want to make sure you do it the right way. Once you do that, you're gonna just snap it on. And just be careful, because the filters are plastic and you don't want it to break. So once you figure that out, everything will be good to go. You just snap it on. Make sure you're overlapping them correctly and snap them on, and you're good to go. So that's the ball head, and that will allow some adjustability. Like when you put your phone on it, you're gonna see I'm loosening everything first, like I told you, because it's hard if you don't loosen it and then you try to put it on, it doesn't go on. So you have to make sure you loosen first, put it on, and then tighten. That's the phone holder. And I'm using an old phone of mine. This is an old phone, so the screen is cracked, so don't pay attention to that, because I'm taping with my current phone. So that's my old phone that I'm using, and I'm putting that right on the ball head. And I'm just turning. Now, the only issue I have with this is that I don't see a way to turn it vertically. It's only on horizontally, so I have to do some more research about that. This is the remote that it comes with. I'm not going to show you usage of the remote because I really don't use remotes, but you have that option. It's a cute little red remote. Now that cord dangling from the ring light, you just attach the power cord to that and then plug it in, and you'll be ready to use your ring light. So it's all plugged in, and now you're gonna go underneath and twist that knob, and as you see, that's gonna make it come on. There's the ring light, there's the light. So yeah, I'm taping from my phone so you get to see how the ring light, like how low it goes and then how high it goes. And keep in mind, I have the warm filter on it, so it's gonna show you, you know, it's a warm look, as high as it can go and as low as it can go. Now I'm using it, the ring light, with my actual phone that I'm recording with, so that you can see from lowest to highest how it looks. I'm going to show you again when I dim it all the way down. Like right now, it's dimmed all the way down. And now I'm going to turn it on and show you it gradually go up, up, up to the highest setting. Now I'm going to turn off all my lights, and you're going to see now how this light works when no light is on, and this is just light coming from the ring light. So it's pretty good, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Again, this was purchased from Amazon, and this is the remote that it comes with. I'll probably do a separate review video, but thank you guys so much.